What's going on, guys? This is Hunter's Fishing Channel back with another video. I didn't know if it was recording. That's why I turned it around. If you haven't known already, I got a new dog. Her name is Allie Blue. It's a full-blooded pit bull, yeah. So I'm about to take her out, and I got a duck stand. I built me a bird stand. Today is Tuesday. I'm out of school because I'm sick, but I don't know if I'm really sick or not. But yeah, I got a hammer to go fix my bird stand, and I got a GoPro that I'm supposed to be filming with, but it's in my mom's car, so I'm filming on my phone right now. Come on, Allie. Alright, I'm gonna get her outside, and then I'm gonna show you my. Alright, guys, I put that pole up. My dog, yeah, I got her set on this little trap. She could have came with me. She's a girl. Yeah, and this is my snap. Let's fix that. Oh yeah, guys. I got it. Let's see. What? Ow. Yeah, she got under there. This is the way I get in right here. I got a minute. This is what I'm seeing. Oh god. I never get in here. Yeah, this is what I'm seeing. Wait, I'm gonna have to, when I go to shoot one, I have to go stand up. There she is. When I'm in here all day, I can put my phone charger out there and have her in here with me. That was my toe. Alright, guys, so I'm sick, so I gotta get inside. I'm just letting her use the bathroom. Oh my gosh. Well, it works, sorta. Yeah, I gotta hammer that in. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. See y'all in the next video, which will be me filming on my GoPro. So yeah, see y'all then.